Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the focus is on a crucial, yet often overlooked, component for many professional setups, the data sync cable. Specifically, we're diving into the PwrON 6ft USB cable, designed for a range of Canon image formula scanners, including models like the PwrON 1210C, PwrON 9080C, PwrON 3060, and the PwrON 130. This isn't just any cable. It's presented as a brand new, high-quality solution for ensuring seamless data transfer between your PC or laptop and your Canon scanner. When it comes to professional-grade scanners, reliability is paramount. An interrupted data transfer can mean lost time, frustration, and even compromised work. This PwrON cable steps in to address that need directly. While it's noted as a non-OEM product, the manufacturer emphasizes its high quality, which is a significant point for anyone looking for a dependable alternative without the premium price tag often associated with original equipment. The promise of brand new, high quality suggests a product built to perform consistently right out of the box. One of the immediate benefits that stands out is the generous 6-foot, or 180 cm length. This isn't just a minor detail. It offers considerable flexibility in setting up your workspace. No longer are users tethered to the immediate vicinity of their computer. This extended reach allows for more ergonomic arrangements, placing the scanner where it's most convenient without straining the cable or requiring additional extension cords. For busy offices or home setups where space is at a premium, this extra length can be a real game changer, providing freedom to position equipment optimally. The core function of this cable is data synchronization, and for the specified Canon image formula series, this means ensuring that scanned documents are transferred quickly and accurately to your computer. A stable and efficient connection is vital for maintaining workflow, especially when dealing with high volumes of scanning. The PwrON cable aims to provide that consistent, reliable link, minimizing errors and maximizing productivity. Users can expect a snug fit into their devices, which is crucial for preventing accidental disconnections during operation. Compatibility is clearly defined, targeting specific Canon image formula models. This focused design means that the cable is engineered to meet the electrical and data transfer specifications required by these particular scanners, ensuring optimal performance. It removes the guesswork often associated with generic cables, providing a tailored solution for those who own the PwrON 1210C, PwrON 9080C, PwrON 3060, or PwrON 130. For anyone relying on these Canon scanners for their daily tasks, investing in a dedicated, high-quality data sync cable like this PwrON offering is a smart move to safeguard their workflow and ensure their equipment operates at its best. It's a practical, essential accessory for maintaining peak scanner performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.